Welcome to Queen Mary's High School virtual classes. I, Mrs. Naushaba Sheikh, your English teacher. Have a look at your screen, students. Yes, you guessed it right. We are going to start with Revati's musical plant part 2. Let's start the reading. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. The flowers were more with white stripes. That evening, she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed, dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was the all-important day. She got up in the morning and went straight in the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. Who means light purple in color. Remarked means to give remark, to pass some comments. Previous chapter we have seen that Revati has taken utmost care of the plants, and now the plants have started growing healthier and taller. They have given brightly colored flowers, and there was an unusual kind of flower, that means a different kind of flower. She was very much sure that she will definitely get the prize for the best plants. Now she was thinking about it all day long and the new type of flower which was grown in her pot. She went to bed dreaming about her plants and that beautiful mauve purple color flower with white stripes. Next day was very important, so as soon as she got up in the morning, she went to courtyard to see her plants. But, oh my God, alas, what happened? There was no plant nor the pot. She looked everywhere for the pot. Maybe someone has shifted the pot, but it was not so. So she went and asked her mother about her plant, her pot. She was very much worried about her plants. One day before, some neighbors have come to her house in the afternoon. Also complimented about the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But after that, she also did not bother much and she went inside the house to look after other things. And then she did not went back to the courtyard again. Revati's grief knew no bounds. She went around asking every one of her neighbors, but no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants. She felt as though everything was lost. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she really missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friends who enjoyed her music. That evening, all her friends were going to the prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friends forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her plant. There was her pot of plants on a bench with the name of a distant neighbor of hers as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. Grief means intense sorrow. Intense means very deep. Bonds means limit. That means there is some boundary, some limitation. Grief knew no bonds means that her sorrow was so deep or intense that there was no limit to it. As we all know that Revati was very fond of her plants. That means she liked her plants very much. Now her plants are missing. Students, have you any time experienced such type of thing with you, that you have been found of something very close to you and you have misplaced it or missed it out? Now let's get back to the lesson. Yes, Revati was very sad. Now she was asking each and every neighbors to find her pot of plant, but she did not get any answer because none of her neighbor had seen her potted plant anywhere. You know, students, whenever we lose something, then what we do? We lodge a complaint with the police. But now in this case, since a pot of plant is not a very expensive thing, so she couldn't lodge a complaint as well. So now what she will do? Nothing. She was very nervous. For Revati, as if everything has come to an end. She has lost everything. She missed her plants very much because she has very much grown fond of them. She was not ready to go to the prize distribution ceremony as well, but her friends forced her and took her along with them. Her plants were her friends who enjoyed her music very much. She was very disturbed and upset. When she reached the prize distribution ceremony, she moved around to see the potted plants kept for display. And oh my God, what she saw! It was her very own plant kept for display with some other name as a competitor. The name of the competitor was written on a piece of cardboard and placed in the soil, and this competitor was none other than her very own neighbor who lived at some faraway places. Distant means far away, not very close. So students, you come to know that the pot was taken by none other than her neighbor itself. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizer of the show and told them about it. The organizers were not convinced. They said, "How can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her?" Revati wondered how to convince them. She'd sat there for a few minutes, looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending towards her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizer that she could prove the plants were hers. She ran home. When she turned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Organizer means the one who organized an event. Here, the event was the best plant contest. Flashed across her mind means that hit an idea that suddenly comes in one's mind. As soon as Revati saw the pot, she knew it was hers. Straight away she went to the organizer of the show and told them about it. But they were not at all convinced that this pot is of Revati. If you tell anyone anything about someone, will he or she believe you? No. They will ask you about the proof or the evidence. So in this case also, the organizers, they were not convinced with what Revati has told them. So they asked her to prove it, because the competitor who has kept the plant was the regular participant and they know her very well. Now it was a very big hurdle in front of Revati to prove that the plant was her. So she thought how to convince them. And then suddenly something flashed back in her mind. She remembered that the plants used to bend towards her when she used to play the violin. In this way, she will be able to prove that the plant was her. So, informing the organizer about the same, she ran home quickly and got her violin back. But the ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, "I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them." They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, Do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. She felt very dejected and was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Revati even forgot her plants for a time, but the others could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants. Straight at first, they bent slightly. As she played on and on, their stems bent towards Revati as though they wanted to touch her in their happiness. The organizers were stunned. Here, let us understand the meanings of few hard words. Ridicule. It means that to laugh at or mock at someone, make fun of others. Dejected means sad, not happy at all. Deter to means discourage. Deter also means to turn aside or keep it at one side. Do not encourage, stop someone from doing anything or preventing. Engrossed means absorbed. That means lost in the music, as Revati was in this case. And last, stunned. Stunned means to get shocked. They were surprised that the plants were reacting to the music played by Revati. The organizers came to know about Revati's musical plants. They couldn't believe it. So they started making fun of Revati. But this could not stop Revati from her mission. And what was her mission? To get her plants back. Revati was not ready to accept the defeat. She was very much determined. She informed the organizers that her plants are music lovers like her and they respond well to her music. Hearing this, they started laughing louder and they made fun of Revati by asking, do plants have ears? Do they enjoy music like us? They were not ready to believe Revati at all. So, Revati was sad, but still she wanted her plants back. So she sat down near her plants and started playing her violin. Slowly, she started playing her favorite raga Mohana, which was very much liked by her plants. In this way, the plants, after hearing the music, slowly and steadily straightened themselves and bent towards Revati, as if they wanted to touch her in their happiness. Revati was fully engrossed, that means absorbed in the music. But the organizers, they were looking carefully that how the plants are responding to the music played by Revati. They were literally shocked. Organizers were not able to believe their eyes that what they are seeing, that plants are responding to the music. Can they hear the music? They had watched a new phenomena of plants responding to music, and Revati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plant was hers. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Revati's plant. She said, while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to the house. She said, while walking past Revati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decided that Revati's plant deserved the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Revati carried home the prize proudly with her pots of plants. See the meaning of phenomena? It means fact. Fact means the truth, whatever is true. The next one is applauded. Applauded means to praise, to appreciate, to clap for someone. And last, pulled up. Pulled up means to confront someone or to approach the opposition party. The organizers were surprised and shocked when they saw the truth that the plants are responding to the music played by Revati. They applauded her, they praised her, and clapped for her, and they were convinced that the plant was of Revati only. The authorities reprimanded the neighbor for stealing Revati's plant and putting it in the contest as if it was hers. The neighbor did not agree to it. She did not accept it. But after a long argument, she accepted the defeat and said that she has taken the plant from Revati's courtyard a night before and then put the plant for the contest the next day. As a regular customer, she was confirmed or assured that no one will doubt her. So in this way, she tried to cheat Revati by stealing her plant and putting it for the contest. The authorities decided that the Revati's plant deserved the first prize as it was the best looking and beautiful plant. Revati was very much happy and she took the prize along with her plant back home. Students, you have learnt in science that plants are living things. Here in this lesson, we come to know the relationship between the plants and the music. Even the plants love music and respond to it. So, please take care of the plants and love them.